So people say robots is taking over the world, but I believe a robot vacuum is changing the world. I'm over here at the Dreame booth, very lavish, very elaborate booth, and I have the pleasure of speaking with Michael, who's gonna tell us about the Dreame vacuum, why this Dreame brand is such a phenomenal brand, what's special about the vacuum, how it works, and any cool features you want to share about the vacuum. We are going to pass over to Michael to give us a walkthrough high level about the Dreame vacuum here on display at CES, and you might be surprised some of them might be available for order right now. So if you're interested, click on the link here below. It'll take you to the Dreame website, and there you can click on it to learn more about the Dreame vacuum and make your purchase as of today.
How we doing today, folks? So here we're going to have our Aqua Ultra Roller. This is going to offer 30,000 Pascal suction. It's going to be one of our strongest units on the market. We offer extending mop pad and an extending brush arm. We also have a dual detangling brush as well. That's going to be able to tackle any length of hair, dog hair, human hair, and be able to detangle it so consumers don't have to waste time with actually picking out the hair. As we see to the right, we also have a versatile LiDAR scanner, as it can drop and fit into areas of 3.5 inches, as it will retract up and downwards to be able to fit.
That is interesting. The LiDAR sensor retracts.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we haven't seen that yet.
So that's one of the most popular feature with our newer models.
Yeah.
As we have our industry first V-SLAM LiDAR detection, as once it goes down, we have sensors in the front plus an LED scan to be able to find out where it's at underneath those dark areas, such as furniture, bedding, so it does not get lost. This is also going to be the first one of ours that has the roller. This is going to presume a lot better downward force to get superior mopping in those tough to reach areas and those uneven surfaces as well.
And I gotta ask, because I think this happens, does it extend out to get the edges?
It sure does. And just like this example here, he will actually extend out as well. Probably one of the best features is this roller guard. If it detects it's on carpet, it will actually guard the wet roller to make sure it doesn't get all over your carpet.
Very cool.
One of our first and one of our best selling, already available in North America, but we had to bring in here as consumers are loving our roller brushes.
And this is the Aqua 10 Ultra Rollers.
Yes, sir.
Perfect, awesome. And what else you got to show us here at CES?
So next we're going to go over to our newly established robot. This is going to be our thinnest robot at about 3.1 inches, as we notice here. This one is going to be thin with still the retractable LiDAR. So he is actually going to be able to fit in the most areas. So let's see if we can get this guy. Started for you.
Does the, I can cut this out, does the roller brush do downward scrubbing?
This one is back to its dual brush.
Dual brush.
So now we're gonna have it come out. This is gonna have some of the best reaction for obstacles. So once he gets out, we'll be able to actually throw out some obstacles over it and see him reacting in real time. So I have my lovely assistant throw it once it starts vacuuming. As with older units, it will actually take a little bit time, stop and move. This one is moving more fluently.
Confidently, yeah.
And can identify, hey, that's something I shouldn't be hitting, or I shouldn't have to take the time to adjust. So it is reacting a lot quicker than previous generations. Still offers 30,000 suction. So he will see it and say, don't need to go there. Let me go around it as well. So a lot faster, a lot more natural, especially for homes that have children and dogs and other things that, of course, will get in its way. And it will be able to react for safety as well. 30,000 Pascal as well with this one. This one also offers hot water mopping for about 40 degrees Celsius. And this will be pre-ordered for this year, and it's going to be offering some of the best when it comes to suction with our redesigned brush system to generate more pressure for that deeper carpet penetration.
Wow. All right. So, Michael, tell us a little bit about what's happening here with this demonstration.
So this is the Cyber X. This is going to be one of the best companions for our robots. As we see here, it will be docking in, and this is going to be its travel companion that can conquer multiple homes at ease. As this unit will be able to conquer a flight of stairs in 27 seconds, up to 10 flights at a time on a single battery life. This also comes with a built-in water tank as well. So if the unit is washing and if it runs out of water, it can just go back to the Cyber X and refill its water. This unit offers 4 bipedal legs.
Oh, wow. So it's using the chain legs to get up the stairs.
And as we see here, wrapping it up, the last highlights going to be about the Cyber X is it has a built-in water tank as well. As with a multi-purpose home, if it ever runs out of water with the unit, it'll be able to refill itself on the fly, so it doesn't have to waste battery life going back down the stairs. One of the best things about our system is our ecosystem. As we just don't specialize in robotic vacuums, we're touching every single part of smart home, but especially on our robotics, as they have integrated with Google, Alexa, and even Matter now, with some of our flagship and hero models offering built-in assistance. We're able to easily command it on the go by just saying a simple, okay, Dreame, start vacuuming. Nice, simple, and easy. With us, we all hope all dreams will equal to one dream. Every single Dreame product will contribute to your dream lifestyle.
Tell us where we buy the product.
Yeah, so we have multiple channels on our own website, dreametech.com. We also have Amazon. We all have 4 actual official stores now in San Diego, Los Angeles, San Jose, and now our newly established store in New Jersey. Wherever you can find smart appliances, you'll be able to find us.
Awesome. Thank you so much, and good luck with everything from Dreame.
Thank you, folks.